we didn't talk about multiplying fractions previously, but we have this. This times this, we just do what we do with numbers. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Here they are, okay? Now, there are no common factors between numerator and denominator, so there's nothing that simplifies, so we can simply multiply out the numerator and denominator. Now, we should do this using the distributive law, but I didn't want to take class time to do that since we did it pretty thoroughly last time, and I think everybody understands. So this is what you get if I did the multiplication right, and you can check me on that. To divide, okay, here are two fractions with a division. Okay, what do you do when you divide? You invert the divisor, okay, the one you're dividing by, and multiply. So we take the x minus 3 over x plus 5 and make it x plus 5 over x minus 3 and multiply it by the first fraction. And I haven't completed that, but it's very clear what you do. Another way to have written the division down would be like this, or we could put this whole x plus 5 over x minus 2 up here and then a big long line and the x minus 3 over x plus 5 down below that. Then the question was asked, okay, what do you do if you do have a common factor? Well, let's look at what happens if you have a common factor with numbers. 5/8 times 3/5. Well, that's 5 times 3 over 8 times 5. And then 8 times 5 is the same as 5 times 8. So we can rewrite the result this way. And of course, this is the same as 5 over 5 times 3 over 8. And 5 over 5 is 1. So we have like 1 times 3 over 8, which is just 3/8. Okay. So you're taught to just cross things out, but people do that indiscriminately, do it wrong, cancel a denominator with an exponent or something. So I don't like cancellation very much at all, and I discourage the use of cancellation until we really understand the rules, which is something we don't learn in this course because you're supposed to have already learned it. But you get plenty of chance to practice it. Okay. Then we do the same thing here. Okay. Notice that this is the same as this. Well, same thing's going to happen, but we just write it out. We write out the numerator, we write out the denominator. And then we switch the order in the denominator so that we have the x plus 4 lined up with the x plus 4 to make it obvious that what we get is x plus 4 over x plus 4 times x plus 3 over x minus 2. This divided by itself is 1, as is always the case, times x plus 2 over x minus 2, leaving us just x plus 3 over x minus 2.